So Tiki and I, after Robert left yesterday, we had a movie night last night, and the TV, her TV, goes in this cabinet that she built, and she realized that the DVD player was on the side of the TV, and it was easier to use that. But Tiki being Tiki, I'm going to show you what she's doing. She wants it to be really convenient, so she is styling out an entry port so that she can just slide DVDs in. Yay, girls' movie night out. Here we come. So this is the dinner that Tiki has prepared. Thank you, Tiki.
And thank you for helping.
You bet. And she has given me the neatest little thing to twirl these zucchini into like lasagna. And this is what the plate looks like.
It's called a spiralizer.
A spiralizer. Nom, 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 nom. Tiki and I have been moving railroad ties this morning. What do y'all think? Another fabulous movie night at the fabulous Miss Tiki's. So you guys know that I have been with Tiki all week, and today she treated me to something very special. I got to come over and meet her neighbor Jean.
And I'm very happy to meet you too.
I know, it took all week, but we're finally doing this. And I am going to show you some artwork, some woodwork that her husband Clifford did, and some paintings that her granddaughter, granddaughter, what's your granddaughter's name?
Maya.
That Maya, her granddaughter, did, and the home is just lovely. But she has given me permission to show these woodworkings that her late husband Clifford did and that Maya did. You guys are just Maya's paintings. You're in for such a treat, and thank you for sharing this.
You're more than welcome.
Look at this sunset that I've been given, that the world has been given for my last evening here. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful.